To open a latch door with an inoperative latch release, insert a long-handled Allen wrench in between the countertop and console panel. Lift the latch strike, pulling the door open. There are track stops on the upper dish rack's tracks that need removal to take out the upper dish rack. Press the track stop release tabs while lifting it up and out. Each track has 2 stops, front and rear. Using a slip and knot lock nut wrench, loosen the pump outlet nut just underneath the spray arm. Unscrew and lift off the assembly. Using a T20 screwdriver, disassemble the support and bearing assembly from the spray arm assembly. Remove 2 1/4-inch hex screws from the bottom of the outer door panel. Pull panel down slightly, 1/4-inch to 1/2 inch only, to align the panel slots with the opening in the door frame. Swing the panel out from the top and lift it off. Remove the drip cover by pulling out from the top and lifting up. Remove the drawbar string. Slide the drawbars apart. Remove the actuator assembly by releasing 3 tabs. Remove detergent dispenser latch by gently releasing the snap with a flathead screwdriver. The latch is removed from inside of the door. Turn the wet agent cap counterclockwise to remove it. Using a 3/4-inch socket or special tool, part number 303918, press over the attaching tabs in the wet agent cap opening. Remove the wet agent dispenser assembly. Remove the screws securing the inner door panel to the door frame. Lift the inner panel off the frame. To access the components inside of the control panel, release one of the 2 tabs on the cover.